exposing the sneaky signs your body uses to say, "Baby's coming." You need to watch this if you keep asking, "Is this labor or just gas?" Let's turn those panic vibes into a checklist. Okay, quick list. 1. Contractions. Real labor contractions get regular, stronger, closer together. They're not random twinges or period-like cramps they build, and don't ease with walking or changing position. 2. Your water breaks. That gush or steady leak means membrane rupture. Call your provider right away. Yes, it's messy. No, it's not a prank. 3. Your cervix is changing. Dilation effacement. You won't feel this unless a clinician checks, but if contractions are consistent, assume things are progressing. 4. Bloody show. A pinkish or bloody mucus plug is a sign the cervix is opening. It can show up hours or days before active labor. And back pain. Especially if it's a heavy, relentless ache, not just discomfort. 6. Burst of energy, the nesting urge. Weird, but real. Don't pack the hospital bag and climb a ladder, though. 7. Decreased fetal movement. If movement drops, call your provider immediately. That's not a labor fun fact. Quick tip. Timing contractions is your superpower. If they're 5-1-1, 5 minutes apart, 1 minute long for an hour, it's showtime. Reassure. Everyone's labor looks different. Trust your gut, call your team, get checked. You've got this. And if all else fails, bring snacks.